7 essential oils that boost immunity and fight infection. Essential oils are not a new invention. They have been used for centuries for their natural and powerful healing properties. Each essential oil has its own special benefits, including antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, expectorant, and antiseptic properties. Geranium essential oil can relieve bloating, boost mood, increase circulation, help balance energy, and assist in white blood cell activity. Lemon essential oil is a detoxifying agent, so it's an excellent choice to provide your immune system with a boost. It can also relieve sinusitis, asthma, flu, sore throats, and bronchitis. Lavender essential oil serves your immune system with its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender also supports white blood cell activity, thus bolstering the immune system, and it promotes sound sleep, which improves your body's ability to heal. Rosemary essential oil helps improve breathing, fights colds, sinusitis, bronchitis, and rhinitis. Cinnamon bark essential oil has powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. This oil is a great choice for homemade household cleaners to keep germs at bay. Simply add 20 drops to 2 cups of water in a spray bottle and let rest for about 5 minutes before wiping. Grapefruit essential oil is cleansing, detoxifying, and packed with vitamin C. It can boost your mood, relieve stress, and improve immunity. Frankincense essential oil has been used for healing for thousands of years. It is antimicrobial, boosting the immune system, and can relieve anxiety. It's also known for its ability to sharpen clarity and focus. Remember to always use 100% pure therapeutic grade oils to reap the healing benefits of essential oils.